Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1975 to discover bacon nuts. What? Oh, you're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. Got another quickie for you. Today we're doing bacon nuts, which is a take on the classic Rumaki appetizer without the chicken liver. I thought you'd like that better. So we are still celebrating Halloween. And I've got this great dish. You can make it in minutes when your company comes over. I've got my martini, Halloween themed for you, and a giant plate of bacon, which is absolutely my favorite. So here we go, super, super easy. I have my oven on broil. And I have my cookie sheet all lined and sprayed with cooking spray. Now, in here, I have 2 8-ounce cans of whole water chestnuts. They've been marinating for about an hour in Worcestershire, lemon juice, salt, and Tabasco. And don't worry, everything's down below. So now that they're drained, we're gonna put them aside. And here comes, how easy is this? We take a water chestnut. I have 1 package of bacon that I cut in thirds. Sorry, I'm not keeping you guys up to date. And then I went ahead and separated most of the pieces. This is gonna make, I don't know, about 2 dozen. It all depends on how many chestnuts there are in the can. And all you're gonna do is wrap toothpick in, and that's it, onto the cookie sheet. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these, and I will be right back when we do. Here we go. Everything is ready to go. Mine actually made about 35 of these little cuties. Like I said, it all depends on what you get when you open the can. So anyway, really quick, make sure they're all very, very well secured with your toothpick. And then you're just gonna wanna spread them out and get them under the broiler. Now you wanna babysit these because you wanna start turning them as you see the bacon starting cooking on top. Flip them over, let the bacon cook on the other side, and really, that's it. Your Halloween party is ready to go, or really any party for that matter. And really quick, Rumaki, for those of you that don't know, it just slipped my mind to explain it. Rumaki was a very, very popular Polynesian themed appetizer in the 70s, which is pretty much this, but instead of Worcestershire, it's more of an Asian flavor, and there was a chicken liver wrapped in with the little cute little water chestnut as well. I actually loved them as a child, but we're just gonna do liver free today. So anyway, into the oven they go, and we'll see you when they're done. Okay, here they are, and yes, they are the same amount. You know, bacon, it shrinks up. So anyway, here are our beautiful little bacon nuts. So I broiled them on one side, maybe about 6 to 8 minutes until I started seeing all the bacon crisp up. Then I took out the tray, poured off the fat because there will be a lot of bacon fat. Poured off the fat, flipped them over, back under the broiler, another 6 to 8 minutes till they look good. Took them out, poured off the fat again. And now what I'm gonna do is I have a little plate with some paper towels, and I'm just gonna set them right on the paper lost one. Set them right on the paper towels just for a few minutes, just to get rid of all that leftover grease. We're gonna plate them up super pretty for Halloween, and I will be right back. Okay, we are back. They are in a cute little bowl in a spider web, of course. I've got my martini ready. Cocktail party, perfect. While you're waiting for the kids to get ready for trick-or-treating, perfect. Anytime perfect. Any time of the year, perfect, really. These are simple, they're delicious, and they will carry you through any company, any celebration you have. Give them a try. You're gonna love them. So thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make requests by joining my Facebook group. Have you made one of my dishes? I would love to see them. Tag me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.